director. Go for launch.
And excellent news, all systems.
Be seeing the evidence of SpaceX launch. We are.
There it is there.
Where? Oh, there it is, right there. Wow, it's gone. Going. Look at that.
Look at how bright it is.
Yeah, it's going right over us. There's the tail. Look at. Wow. Uh-oh. That doesn't look good, eh? That's a lot of fuel. Jesus.
Hear it?
Yeah, of course I see it. I mean,
No,
like.
Can you hear it?
Yeah, I can hear it. Yes.
Listen to the rumble.
Uh-huh. Can you guys hear that? Way to go, SpaceX. Oh, there's the booster coming off.
Yep.
Yeah, I see that.
See it go?
Yeah, and they're both of them. And they're gonna recover those. Those are gonna land, I believe. There's those two pieces flying. See them up there? The two
They're directing somewhere.
yeah, that's right. Look at them. Look at them. They're going back to the launch pad. Like they recover them. Look at them go.
Yeah.
Reusable, right? There's the booster rockets. They're lighting up, firing up, and they're coming back to Earth, right?
Yeah.
They're landing right there. Boom, right where they took off from.
And they're going to be retrieved.
Yeah.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
Hey, what did you think about that space launch? That was pretty cool.
Very cool, actually. And up close and personal.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, those little... Are you drunk?
No, I went swallowed.
You're drunk.
I
Let me smell your
swallowed.
breath. Oh, yeah, you're drunk. She's drunk again. Well, this is what I deal with every day. Look at the that. What the hell are you doing?
I swallowed the wrong way.
Okay, look at that space launch, that SpaceX. So the booster rockets came off, and we seen them, and then they just powered up and moved over to where they took off from, and landed, and then there was a sonic boom, and it was amazing. I mean, like it was something. It was pretty high tech, anyways. But anyways, good for that. It was a good experience, and we enjoyed it.
Special, like you could see them separate and then ignite and go.
Okay, we're gonna have to cut this one short because Sandy's drunk. But listen, thanks for watching, and thanks for the comments on the YouTube channel there. You guys, some people are commenting, asking questions. We invite questions, so that's cool. And thank you very much. And keep commenting, you drunken fool. Oh.